Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have something special for all you gardening enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of expandable garden hoses, and we've got a real contender for the title of the best one on the market, the J&B Expanda Hose 75 feet. This hose promises superior strength, durability, and ease of use. Stick around as we uncover all the details in this comprehensive review. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the features and specifications of the J&B Expanda Hose 75 feet. This garden hose is not your average hose. It's designed to make your gardening experience effortless and convenient. This hose is built to last, with a strong and durable exterior. The core provides flexibility while ensuring it doesn't kink or tangle. Designed to prevent leaks and provide a secure fit. Multiple spray options for various gardening needs. It expands up to 3 times its original length and is easy to carry. Now, let's talk about what truly sets the J&B Expanda hose apart: its ease of use. Say goodbye to lugging around heavy hoses. The Expanda hose expands and contracts effortlessly. The 4-layer latex core ensures kink-free operation. It shrinks back to its original size when not in use, saving storage space. Versatility for various tasks, from watering your garden to cleaning your car. Durability is a key factor when it comes to garden hoses, and J&B has you covered. Latex core and brass connectors, built to withstand wear and tear. Lifetime warranty. The Expanda hose comes with a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. Of course, we need to consider the price and alternatives. How does the J&B Expanda hose stack up? J&B Expanda hose 75 feet, priced competitively at $69.95. Compare with similar hoses. We'll mention a few alternative hoses and their prices for comparison. And there you have it, folks, the J&B Expanda hose 75 feet, a top contender for the title of the best expandable garden hose on the market. If you're tired of wrestling with heavy, kink-prone hoses, the Expanda hose is here to make your gardening life easier. With its durability, versatility, and lifetime warranty, it's a worthwhile investment for any gardener. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more product reviews, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. If you've had any experience with the J&B Expanda hose or have questions, please share in the comments below. Thanks for joining us, and happy gardening!